Hello, my friends, it's Sharon, and I'm all about helping you transform chaos to harmony in a hurry-up world with humour and heart. The neural mind shift technique that I'd like to share with you today is about breathing. I know it seems really simple, doesn't it? But you know, what happens to us during the day is that we take shallow breaths. And when we do that, it kind of gives us that feeling of being tired and maybe having a bit of foggy thinking. So throughout your day, put out the APB. Get the awareness, pause and breathe. And when you breathe, take deep breaths. At least every hour, take 3 deep breaths. And that's a deep breath in through the nose. Just pause slightly and let that breath back out again. And take another deep breath in and pause, and then allow that long breath to go out. Take 3 deep breaths every hour, and that will help you have clarity, to be able to communicate clearly, and to feel more awake and more vibrant during your day. And so until next time, this is your Neural Mind Shift APB of Inner Harmony. And if you liked it, hit the share button below so that others can know how to create harmony from within in our hurry-up world. Until next time, many blessings and all the best.